How you doing, traders? This is Greg McLeod from Elite Traders University and the Forex Cash Machine. So good to be with you on this wonderful Wednesday. This is Fed Day, the 19th of June, 2019. And we're not waiting to the Fed announcement. It's about 9:19 a.m., just before the New York stock market open. Not necessarily going to wait for the Fed to make some money, right? So I'm going to go ahead, and if you can see my screen, I'm going to go ahead and I got a long enough bounce, kind of a dead cat bounce on the dollar CAD, and I was going to go ahead and just close out some of these trades right now and just close them out one by one. And I got a lot of them. I'm just making that money, clocking that cheddar there. Let's just close them out. Take the money and run. And Forex Cash Machine is a really powerful trading strategy which I developed, and we're launching our whole mentorship on using this. And but basically we're able to use different templates, different indicators to give us some high probability, low risk entry. So if you want to attain financial freedom in 8 weeks, go ahead and click the link below and watch an informational video explaining to you about the system. And you can schedule a time where we can speak, we can talk, and then we can get you started making money like we just did right now. We just made a lot of money today. Now we see we had one loss there, but overall we're up $22,000 just for today. So if you want to learn more, click the link below. Go ahead and click that link. And if you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. That way you'll be notified when I post new videos. Again, this is Greg McLeod signing out. Peace and pips, and talk to you later. Bye.